Hello and welcome. I'm Master Lama Rasaji, and this is our Saturday edition of Rasaji Speaks. And for Americans, it's our Flag Day, and it's also President 47's birthday. So happy birthday, Mr. President. We're talking about only a couple more days for early bird special. We extended it over a week. People were asking for it, so we decided to do that. And I hope several people ask us to do that. And it is about a $300 to $400 savings. We're timing it with the hotel rooms losing the discount. So if you know it's on your column exercise or it's in your heart or both, well, let's get her done, as we say in the South. Speaking of Old Glory, flagging and waving behind me. Thank you, Andy, for this picture and the significance of one of the world's trade towers, which we know what happened on 9/11, that auspicious day. And we know what the Old Glory represents. The title today is Waving the Banner of Hope and the Importance of Flag Day. Let's get a little bit of information about Flag Day. Historical facts: a day honoring National Flag Day observed on June 14th. Holiday culminates the date in 1777 when the United States approved the design. Later, it was June 14, the Continental Congress adopted the Stars and Stripes as the original flag. It was used to Declaration of Independence, was the sign to give the flag for the entire country rather than each state having their own flag. On Flag Day, which commemorates the adoption of the American flag, it's a great opportunity to express patriotism and appreciation for the symbols, values it represents. You can share quotes, express pride in the nation, and sharply say how the flag makes you feel. Here are some of the ideas of what to say. Happy Flag Day. I'm so proud to be an American and to see the flag flying. Today, I reflect on the sacrifices made to protect the flag and freedom that it represents. Our flag is the symbol of unity, liberty, and justice. I am proud to support today. The Flag Day. I am saved by your life. I reign in through your life. I receive your hope, love, faith, joy, and of course, your goodness. The trueness, the wisdom, the power, and the strength apply to all that work and triumph in your resurrection. I receive it in thanks, and I give total claim to my spirit, my soul, my body, my heart, my mind, and my will. Oh, glory, sometimes they referred to her as Oh, glory. It's exciting to think about what it represents. It's not a perfect country by any means, but it is a symbol of perfection and unification and growing. And as much as it has its flaws, it has its constitution. and what it means and what it stands for. I also want to say happy birthday to the U.S. Army that's protected us on the soil and abroad for many years as they celebrate their 250th year, if you can imagine. That is something to be special. Today, you will see a parade on TV that President 47 and his staff have been working for better part of a year. They kind of knew they were going to win the presidency, and that's the way that it was. So I'm happy to be with you today. And I want to thank all the patriots out there, especially the spiritual patriots, that are based on the and delivering patriots like Isaiah, like Enoch, and so on and so forth. And for what we do and what we stand for, and always give reverence to the flag, and always be an example that when that flag is raised, we start all of our tours uh, every Saturday with streaming with the Pledge of Allegiance and the Star Spangled Banner to the flag because it means a lot to us. And the Lamasery is constantly praying for America and pray for America too, and pray for all of our countries and all of our governments to begin to honor health, wealth, and happiness for one human family. As we say in Tibet, and as we say in Nepal and India, Baraka Bashai, which means may the blessings be to you and to your glorious family. I will see you bright and early on Monday edition of Rasaji Speaks. God bless.